Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we will be going to learn the use of should have been. Should have been का उपयोग करना आज हम इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे. आई होप आपको हमारे वीडियोस पसंद आते होंगे. तो चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम. लेट्स बिगिन.
शुड हैव बीन का हिंदी में अनुवाद होना चाहिए था या होना था होता है. यह भूतकाल में किसी काम के होने या न होने के बारे में बात करने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है जिसे अब नहीं किया गया या नहीं किया जाना चाहिए था. यहाँ कुछ उदाहरण दिए गए हैं.
तो चलिए कुछ सेंटेंसेस से इसका यूज अच्छे से सीखते हैं. ओके, यू शुड हैव बीन मोर पेशेंट. यहाँ पे पेशेंट का मतलब धैर्य होता है, ठीक है, वो वाला पेशेंट नहीं, ठीक है. चलिए, पेशेंट, तुम्हें अधिक धैर्य रखना चाहिए था. यू शुड हैव बीन मोर पेशेंट. नेक्स्ट, शी शुड हैव बीन केयरफुल व्हाइल ड्राइविंग. उसे गाड़ी चलाते समय सावधान रहना चाहिए था. शी शुड हैव बीन केयरफुल व्हाइल ड्राइविंग. नेक्स्ट, दे should have been invited to the wedding. उन्हें शादी में बुलाना चाहिए था. They should have been invited to the party. I should have been more organized. मुझे अधिक व्यवस्थित होना चाहिए था. I should have been more organized. Next, he should have been honest with you. उसे तुम्हारे साथ ईमानदार होना चाहिए था. He should have been honest with you. Next, we should have been there on time. हमें समय पर वहाँ होना चाहिए था. We should have been there on time. Next, you should have been more respectful. तुम्हें अधिक सम्मान दिखाना चाहिए था. You should have been more respectful. Next, the meeting should have been scheduled earlier. Meeting पहले schedule करनी चाहिए थी. The meeting should have been scheduled earlier. Next, she should have been told the truth. उसे सच्चाई बतानी चाहिए थी. She should have been told the truth. Next, the homework should have been submitted yesterday. होमवर्क कल जमा करना चाहिए था. The homework should have been submitted yesterday. Next, I should have been more focused. मुझे अधिक ध्यान देना चाहिए था. I should have been more focused. Next, he should have been at the airport by now. उसे अब तक एयरपोर्ट पर होना चाहिए था. He should have been at the airport by now. Next, they should have been prepared for the test. उन्हें परीक्षा के लिए तैयार होना चाहिए था. They should have been prepared for the test. Next, you should have been aware of the rules. तुम्हें नियमों के बारे में पता होना चाहिए था. You should have been aware of the rules. Next, we should have been more supportive. हमें अधिक सहायक होना चाहिए था. We should have been more supportive. Next, she should have been here already. उसे अब तक यहाँ होना चाहिए था. She should have been here already. Next, the documents have been signed. दस्तावेजों पर हस्ताक्षर हो जाने चाहिए थे. The documents should have been signed. Next, I should have been more confident. मुझे अधिक आत्मविश्वासी होना चाहिए था. I should have been more confident. Next, he should have been warned before. उसे पहले ही चेतावनी देनी चाहिए थी. He should have been warned before. Next, they should have been included in the plan. उन्हें योजना में शामिल करना चाहिए था. They should have been included in the plan. Next, the lights should have been turned off. लाइट बंद कर देनी चाहिए थी. The lights should have been turned off. Next, you should have been kinder to her. तुम्हें उसके प्रति अधिक दयालु होना चाहिए था. You should have been kinder to her. Next, she should have been promoted last year. उसे पिछले साल प्रमोट कर देना चाहिए था. She should have been promoted last year. Next, the error should have been corrected earlier. गलती को पहले ही सुधार लेना चाहिए था. The error should have been corrected earlier. Next, I should have been more careful with my words. मुझे अपने शब्दों के प्रति अधिक सावधान होना चाहिए था. I should have been more careful with my words. Next, we should have been more involved. हमें अधिक भागीदारी निभानी चाहिए थी. We should have been more involved. Next, he should have been at the office by 9. उसे 9 बजे तक ऑफिस में होना चाहिए था. He should have been at the office by 9. Next, the food should have been stored properly. खाने को ठीक से स्टोर करना चाहिए था. The food should have been stored properly. Next, you should have been more serious about this. तुम्हें इसे लेकर अधिक गंभीर होना चाहिए था. You should have been more serious about this. Next, she should have been ready by now. उसे अब तक तैयार हो जाना चाहिए था. She should have been ready by now. Next, the package should have been delivered yesterday. पार्सल कल ही डिलीवर हो जाना चाहिए था. The package should have been delivered yesterday. Next, I should have been more attentive in the class. मुझे क्लास में अधिक ध्यान देना चाहिए था. I should have been more attentive in the class. Next, they should have been consulted before making changes. बदलाव करने से पहले सलाह लेनी चाहिए थी. They should have been consulted before making changes. Next, he should have been included in the discussion. उसे चर्चा में शामिल करना चाहिए था. He should have been included in the discussion. Next, she should have been more understanding. उसे अधिक समझदार होना चाहिए था. She should have been more understanding. Next, you should have been more responsible. तुम्हें अधिक जिम्मेदार होना चाहिए था. You should have been more responsible. Next, the invitation should have been sent earlier. निमंत्रण पहले ही भेजना चाहिए था. The invitation should have been sent earlier. Next, I should have been more open about my feelings. मुझे अपनी भावनाओं के बारे में अधिक खुला होना चाहिए था. I should have been more open about my feelings. Next, he should have been punished for his mistakes. उसे अपनी गलती की सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए थी. He should have been punished for his mistakes. Next, the plan should have been executed properly. योजना को ठीक से लागू किया जाना चाहिए था. The plan should have been executed properly. Next, she should have been encouraged. उसे प्रोत्साहित करना चाहिए था. She should have been encouraged. Next, we should have been more alert. हमें अधिक सतर्क होना चाहिए था. We should have been more alert. Next, you should have been at the station by 6. तुम्हें 6 बजे तक स्टेशन पर होना चाहिए था. You should have been at the station by. They should have been asked for the feedback. उनसे फीडबैक मांगा जाना चाहिए था. They should have been asked for the feedback. Next, I should have been more polite. मुझे अधिक विनम्र होना चाहिए था. I should have been more polite. Next, the problem should have been addressed sooner. समस्या को पहले ही सुलझाना चाहिए था. The problem should have been addressed sooner. Next, he should have been monitored closely. उसे ध्यान से निगरानी में रखना चाहिए था. He should have been monitored closely. Next, you should have been more consistent. तुम्हें अधिक नियमित होना चाहिए था. You should have been more consistent. Next, the truth should have been revealed. सच सामने आ जाना चाहिए था. The truth should have been revealed. Next, I should have been more grateful. मुझे अधिक आभारी होना चाहिए था. I should have been more grateful. Next, she should have been informed in advance. उसे पहले से ही सूचित करना चाहिए था. She should have been informed in advance. Next, the seats should have been booked earlier. सीटें पहले से ही बुक कर लेनी चाहिए थी. The seat should have been booked earlier. Next, you should have been ready for the interview. तुम्हें इंटरव्यू के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए था. You should have been ready for the interview. Next, he should have been more involved in the project. उसे प्रोजेक्ट में अधिक भाग लेना चाहिए था. He should have been more involved in the project. Next, I should have been more careful with money. मुझे पैसों के मामले में अधिक सावधानी बरतनी चाहिए थी. I should have been more careful with money. Next, they should have been given another chance. उन्हें एक और मौका दिया जाना चाहिए था. They should have been given another chance. Next, we should have been more sensitive. हमें अधिक संवेदनशील होना चाहिए था. We should have been more sensitive. Next, the form should have been filled correctly. फॉर्म सही तरीके से भरने चाहिए था. The form should have been filled correctly. Next, she should have been treated with respect. उसके साथ सम्मान से व्यवहार किया जाना चाहिए था. She should have been treated with respect. Next, you should have been there for your friend. तुम्हें अपने दोस्तों के लिए वहाँ होना चाहिए था. You should have been there for your friend. इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड यस, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Meeting you in the next video.